Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this stand-up mirror. So I just opened the box. It does come very well packaged. So we got some screws. Let's take it open. Okay, so around back it does have this hinge. It has these legs that come out. You can attach it to the wall with these. There's these brackets. This is the gold color. So it looks like a very good quality mirror. Now it looks like it just needs wiped off a little bit. Okay, so with it against the floor, it stands right at 64, just shy of 64 inches. Now the legs with them all the way out are almost 15 inches behind it. And now left to right, you're looking at 20.5 inches almost. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.